What's up guys, welcome to the Internet Moola. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to download Instagram application on your Windows 11 laptop. So let's go ahead and start. Open the Microsoft Store application and then search Instagram. Once you do that, the Instagram application will show up. Click on it and click Get. Now we have to wait a few seconds. And as you guys can see, the installation is almost done. So now we're gonna click open, and then you can pin the Instagram application to your taskbar to use it without any issues. So as you guys can see, here is the Instagram application and we can use it without any issues. So that's it for this video. If you like, please share with your friends, subscribe on our official YouTube channel to get more tutorials, and don't forget to visit our website, theinternetmoola.com. Thanks again. See you guys on the next video. Bye.